Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have completed the second chapter of third standard, that is Windows 7 operating system. Today we will solve question A, B, C of exercise. So without a further ado, let's start the video. First question is fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Let us see the first one. Dash is a little picture displayed on a computer that represents a program. So the answer is icon. We have seen that the icons are small pictures, the little pictures that can be a file, folder or a program. So first one is icon. Let's see what is second one. Dash is the first screen that you see after you turn on a computer. So when we turn on the computer, the first screen that appears is called as desktop. Next one. The dash button is a rectangular bar at the very end of the taskbar. So it is the show desktop button. I have shown you that button. It is at the extreme right position and it looks like a vertical rectangle. Next one, you can point to a taskbar button to see a live preview of its open windows. It is called as arrow pick. Answer is arrow pick. So when you point to any program which is there in the taskbar, it shows the look of the window. Fine. So fifth one is dash is a mini program such as clock that appears on the desktop. The answer is gadget. So gadget, it can be a clock, it can be a calendar, it can be weather report or it can be a news feed. So these are some gadgets, right? So fifth one is gadget. Our next question is tick the correct option. First question, which of the following controls all the devices connected to the computer? So it is not the notification, not desktop, it is not taskbar also. The answer is operating system. Yes students, operating system controls all the devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor. It controls all these devices which are connected to the computer. Second one, to view the live preview of the active windows, select, it is not sneak peek, not sneak peek, it is arrow peek. So answer is D1, arrow peek. Last option. Third question is little picture displayed on the desktop that represents a program are called as, just now we have seen it is, these are called as icons. So option is B option, icons. Fourth one, which of the following is an example of single user operating system? The answer is Linux. D option, Linux. Fifth one is deleted files are stored in. Okay, dear students, when you delete any file from your computer, those files are temporarily stored in recycle bin. Okay, and when you delete from recycle bin, those are permanently deleted from your computer system. So remember this. Answer is recycle bin, B option. Fifth answer is B. Now sixth one is which of the following bars consist of tabs and groups? Answer of this question is D option, that is ribbon. So ribbon consists of tabs, different tabs and different groups. Next question is state true or false. You have to write T for true, F for false. First question is an operating system also tells the computer how to work. It is correct. So you have to write T for it. Linux and Unix are operating systems available for free. This also is correct. Linux and Unix, those comes free of cost. We can use it without paying a single rupee. Third question is, only two windows can be active at a time. So this one is false. We can work on multiple windows at a time. Fourth one, title bar opens when the contents of window cannot seen at the same time. So this one is also false. Fifth one, the pinned programs always appears on the taskbar. This one is correct. It is true because pinning means what? Suppose you use Microsoft Paint program continuously. Okay, frequently if you use the Paint program, then there is no need always to go to the start button and opening that Paint from accessories. You can directly pin that to the taskbar, and whenever required you can simply click the taskbar. That program will be automatically opened. So fifth one is true. So that's it for today's session. We will cover the next D question in next session. I hope you understood today's session. In case of any queries or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you.